Hey y'all, Florida again with Custom Offsets TV on YouTube, coming at you with another vehicle spotlight. This is an extremely clean 2002 Duramax, sitting on a 7-inch BDS with 18x9s and 35's. Let's check it out. All right guys, like I said, 2002 Chevy Silverado 2500HD. This one's got the Duramax in it. First things first, we went and put a 7-inch BDS kit in here. So you can see, we did upgrade to the Fox shocks. So it's got the Fox 2.0s up front. And then the torsion bar lift to give you that 7 inches in the front here. And then with that setup, we're able to fit these wheels and tires. So this is the Mickey Thompson. They call this the MM164M. It's got a lot of M's in the name. MT metal, you can see it on the center cap there. This is an 18x9 and it's a 0 offset. So you can see it's not really a lip wheel. It does have just a little bit here. I'm not even gonna do the build test on it because it's maybe 3/4 of an inch or so, maybe an inch at most. But it does have some concavity to it, which is kind of cool. So it's the machine face here dives back towards your lug nuts. And you can see this is an exposed lug nut as well. So you could run the spiked lug nuts on here if you wanted to. And the rest of the wheel, obviously, just a gloss black finish there. For tires, he's running the BFGs, the all-terrain KO2s. So this is a 35 tall by 12.5 wide. So you can see on that 9 wide, you got plenty of protection because the sidewall does stick out further than the wheel does. So you don't have to worry about bashing this thing into curbs or rocks or anything like that. And then just a good all-terrain tire. These BFGs tend to last a long time. A lot of people do really like these. So to fit this, you'd have to do a little bit of trimming on these 2500s. Take a look at the front here. You can see the front valence is just trimmed up. We got to go back here and clean this up a little bit, but just wanted to trim it for the video. So you just take off the bottom corner of the valence and then the tiniest little bit on the inside of the bumper. So not to the outside of it, but just this inside piece that rolls behind. Just got to do some trimming there so it fits. And then you're just cutting the inner liner here as well, Austin, if you want to show them. So this piece extends further down. This is just trimmed off right here. So that fits there, no problem. And then in the back, he does have some bigger mud flaps on here, and it had some previous rubbing and trimming issues from the last wheel and tire setup, but this fits fine if you just push this back a little bit and tie it in here nicely. As far as the rest of the truck goes, it's pretty much stock. We'll just walk out back real quick. You can see in the rear, obviously no fitment issues, and underneath here he does also have the Fox shocks as well in the rear. It's so tall I can't even see up here. Yep, that's a tonneau cover. Pretty rugged, pretty industrial looking. It's bed lined on top of like diamond plate. Malibu boat sticker. Gotta love a guy who loves his Malibu boats. That about wraps it up. Quick peek at the inside. Extremely clean truck for being an 02. Extremely clean. But that about does it. That is your 02 Duramax sitting on some 18x9 zeros and 35 12.5s. Make sure you like us on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube, all that fun jazz. I'm out of here. Peace.